chamomile, honey, wax moth and raspberry mixture. Bashkir honey-based mixture with chamomile extract, freeze-dried wax moth larvae, freeze-dried raspberry and flax-seed oil is made according to an authentic recipe. Freeze-dried raspberries bring their rich taste to the mixture. In our mixture, we use chamomile extract and freeze-dried wax moth larvae and raspberries combined with floral honey harvested from our own bee gardens. In that way, we preserve all the healing properties of those ingredients. Suggested usage: take 1 teaspoon of the mixture 3 times a day 30 minutes prior food. Our mixture can be used as adjunct medication in treating gastrointestinal tract diseases, duodenitis, stomach ulcer, duodenal ulcer, enterocolitis, flu, insomnia, nervous disorder, weakness and headache.